finally, these are the kind of cards that make you actually want to sit down and write a thank you card. This is the Decorably 60-pack Rustic thank you cards. These are so thoughtful right out of the box. I love them. I love everything that this company makes, but I'm going to use these all the time. So you have 60 cards, comes with everything you need. The cards vary. Thanks a million, full of thanks, forever grateful, thank you so much. There are stickers, the envelopes. There's nothing extra to buy. A little color to this one, and then the white. The inside is blank, of course. Plenty of room to write something real instead of just filling in a little line and moving on. And I love the mix of designs. This really does keep it from feeling repetitive. You can always choose something new. Why these cards stand out? I love the 60 in a box, first of all. Just open this up. Everything you need is like right in here. Let me show you the stickers. So cute. So cute. So many of them. Okay, so why this set stands out to me, these work from anything, quick notes, to more meaningful thank yous. The Kraft and Pastel feel, it feels warm without really trying too hard. And because there are 60 of them, it's so easy to keep this box on hand so you're not scrambling around last minute when you need one. Highly recommend this Decorably 60-pack of Rustic thank you cards. Very nice. This review is sponsored by the brand.